Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. My number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at an 8.5 by 24 enclosed trailer. At the front we have our jack coupler and safety chains as well as our breakaway box. There's 24-inch stone guard along the bottom and tip of your V-nose. This trailer has a black screwed exterior. There are teardrop stone guard fenders. Coming along to the rear of our trailer, we do have a spring assist as well as winch rear loading ramp that has our rubber tread. This loading ramp does have a 6,000 pound support. We have our winch with our hook coming up to the Apex 5500 winch. We also have our control for our winch on the back driver's side. This trailer also has the spring assist. This enclosed trailer does come with 3/8 plywood walls and 3/4 plywood flooring. There are tie-down points at the front and rear of your trailer, as well as vents at the front and rear. This trailer has a 12-volt dome light, as well as a 32-inch RV style door with lock. This trailer does have a 7-foot interior height. We have our winch again. Coming to the outside of our trailer, we do have two 7,000 pound axles. On 15-inch steel wheels and tires. We have our door from the exterior. This trailer is a bumper pull. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 24 enclosed trailer with a winch kit on your rear door. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.